Hindi pa man nagsisimula ang FIBA World Cup at hindi pa man lumalaban ng Gilas Pilipinas ay mukhang suko na kaagad itong si Coach Chot Reyes. Sa naging interview kasi sa kanya ay sinabi niyang Italy is Italy at ang focus na lang daw talaga ng Gilas Pilipinas ay paghandaan ang Dominican Republic at gayon na rin ang Angola. Mukha hanggang sumusuko na kaagad itong si Coach Chot Reyes dito sa Italy kahit nga hindi pa nakakalaban ng Gilas Pilipinas.
That team, right? Italy is Italy. We all know the quality of that team, right? Fortunately, they're our third game. So right now, our real concern is Dominican Republic. Yun talaga. A lot of our efforts are really poured into preparing for Dominican Republic and Angola, where our focus really is Dominican Republic and Angola, because we have to, those are the two games we really have to get. Of course, we're going to talk about Italy. We saw that they released their final 12 yesterday, so we're already in the process of compiling and breaking down the individual player profiles of those 12. We know a lot about a lot of those players. Takome, Meli, and of course Fontecchio played in the NBA, but it's a very strong team. So that's something that we obviously have to take a good hard long look at.
Sa ibang balita naman, napahanga nga ni Renz Abando itong si Justin Brownlee. Kung atin ngang babalikan ang nangyaring training camp ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Lithuania, doon nga unang nakita ni Justin Brownlee itong si Renz Abando at aminado nga si Justin Brownlee na talaga namang napahanga siya sa athleticism at galing ni Renz Abando. Ang sabi nga ni Justin Brownlee ay talaga namang napakagaling daw ni Renz Abando at napakataas ng energy. Ang sabi pa nga ni Justin Brownlee kung pwede nga lang daw niyang gayahin itong si Renz Abando. At ito nga yung buong interview kay Justin Brownlee kung saan talaga namang hangang-hanga siya sa galing at lakas ni Renz Abando.
Good rhythm and a good feel for each other. One guy who is still a bit unfamiliar to him is Renz Abando, but Brownlee could not help but be amazed with the athleticism of the young athlete.
Oh yeah, I've seen him on YouTube and I've seen his highlights and stuff like that, but seeing it up close and personal is a lot more exciting. I would say that, even though his YouTube videos are great, very, like I said, motivating, seeing the young players going up there and dunk, remind me of some of the things I used to do or wish I could have done. But yeah, just seeing those guys jump around, even Jappa, he's back healthy. It's great to see it.